Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a camera bounce effect in CapCut. So you can only add this effect to photos. So select photo you like to edit and tap on photo, select style and select camera bounce effect here. And just click check mark. So this is the final effect that you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.